Hi, this is Stuart Fingerhut, and I wanted to share a short little tutorial video with all of you that hopefully you find helpful. What this is about is using some of these new AI tools to help you in your job search. And I'm in the experiential world, experiential design, so this is going to be catered a little bit more to that audience, but I think it's applicable to anyone out there now that's looking for a new job or just wants to get their hands into some of these new AI tools. So what I'm starting with is a platform called Browse.ai, and you can just go to Browse.ai. And the easiest thing to do really is go to these pre-built robots. Now what I've done and what this video is about is utilizing this tool for job searches on LinkedIn. And what's great, Browse.ai already has a pre-built robot. So you can go to pre-built robots and then down to the first listing, extract job listing information from LinkedIn. All you're going to do is click that. What it's going to do is just give you a little bit of information about what it is, what it's extracting, etc. And then you can just click on use this automation. So what it'll do, it'll pop open and it gives you a couple different options here. Now, I'm going to put in, very generally, is experiential designer. Job location, well, who knows? I'm just going to put USA for the whole country. And for max jobs, I'm going to put 50 because I think that might be the max, or at least it is with a basic account. Then you just click next. Now, of course, whatever job title you're interested in, if it's graphic design, if it's creative director, if it's whatever you want to do, you can definitely make it a little bit more dialed and tuned in. But I just kind of kept it vague a little bit for this video just so you can see what the outcome is. I'm going to click next. And then what we're going to do is you can review it, and then you would then click Start Extracting. Now, because this takes a little bit of time, I'm just going to pop over to something I already extracted. And you can see this was created by me not too long ago. There is a credit system for this platform, but you get 200 free credits just for signing up. And by signing up, you can use your Google account to make it really, really easy. And really what I want to show is like what the outcome is. Now, what I think is really great is even though I put experiential designer, what it actually did, it actually pulled in things that are a little bit outside of just that specific category. So here you can see the first one, experiential graphic designer and illustrator. It's not being specific to like 3D design or any of that stuff. Here, exhibit experiential. Here, junior. Maybe you're someone just out of college and you're just kind of getting started. So I found this to be really interesting because it casts a little bit wider net than just going into LinkedIn and searching for the same thing over and over. And you can see I have many, many rows of this. 50, that's what I got to. And what's really great is you're able to also combine these. Well, let me go through this really quick. So you can run the task, the history. That's what this is. This is actually after the robot ran its first job. It gives you all of this information. Now you can stay on this and click on any of these URLs. Go through any of this information you see here. You can also set up a monitor. And if you wanted, you could have this monitor check it every day, every other day, every Monday and every Wednesday, whatever you want. That's up to you. But I think what's really interesting is the integration part. Now I actually went ahead and already pre-configured, but you can very easily integrate Google Slides to this so that the information that it pulls from the running of the task, here we go again, ran the task, all this information, you can integrate it so that it'll actually send it directly to a Google Sheet. So if you're looking for a job, it can be anything. It can be a job. It can be looking for interesting people you might want to interview for a podcast. It could be maybe you're just doing a story on, or doing some project research. It can be doing anything. So you can export all this stuff directly to a Google Sheet and then use that kind of as your, let's say, lead gen for yourself, what jobs are out there, if you've applied to them, what the response is, etc. You can see there's also many other things here. Maybe you want to use Airtable. It's a great platform. Maybe you want to use Zapier and send it to something else, but it has a lot of really interesting integrations. And then finally, the settings. So you can see I just kept it very vague, experiential designer. You could do 3D designer, but again, this is overarching for anyone that's looking for something. And the max jobs is 50 on the basic account. But you can also see, if there's anything that notifications. So it's really, really easy. There's only these 5 tabs that you really have to worry about. Not so much worry about, but that you'll actually interact with. I already ran this a couple of times just to do some tests, so I'm not going to run it live. It took a few minutes to actually pull it all together, but hopefully this little run through kind of opens up some new opportunities for you. Again, whether it's for LinkedIn, whether it's for job searching, whether it's for anything. All these new tools are really, really amazing, and they're all out there for you. So you can see also, this is not a plug for Browse.ai. It's just something that I think is just good to know, and it's day 0, so in 6 months or 2 years, who knows what all the different ways you can use something like this will be. But again, if you're maybe looking for events, maybe you can see there's some real estate options, a whole bunch of different things. Maybe it's like the top listings on Amazon for products. So again, I just want to give you a quick overview. If you enjoyed this video, let me know, and thanks for watching.